If you are a scalper, then this indicator is for you because it is keeping an eye on the short trends as well. Just look at this. This is the 15-minute chart, Euro USD. This was down, this was the blue cloud, and you can see prices up. So how we can add this indicator, this amazing indicator on our screen? That method is very simple. Just go to your indicator section. Here you need to write dash low, okay? High dash low and then cloud trend, and then this indicator will come, that is by chart prime. And you can see why the reason is that likes above 2000. The reason is that this is the very accurate indicator. That is why this indicator has gained a lot of importance among the different traders. So if you go to the settings, so what you just need to do to uncheck the labels, and that's it, okay? If you go to the settings, it's your choice that if you want to play with it. For example, let's say this is 35 right now. If I change it to 50, let's see what happens. Okay, now you can see the clouds has more this got more bigger. But let's say we are going to review this indicator on the original settings of the 35. Okay, now let's see. Let me take my time frame to the 5 minutes so that I can show you each and everything. Okay, now you can see this is the real-time presentation of the market, that the cloud turns into the bearish. Now you not just it's not about one indicator. You also need to use your common sense. I mean, use the support and resistance and the key levels for the market. So, for example, if I go and attach my market turning points indicator, this is based on the levels, and that provides the very good levels. Like for example, there is a buying opportunity here and the cloud is blue, so definitely we can. Okay, now you can see when the cloud was blue, buying opportunity, you can see the price simply went up on gold. Okay, now I can show you more examples. Okay, so right now the cloud is bearish, but this is the buying opportunity, so I will skip that trade. Okay, in that case. Okay, so for example, look at this. The cloud was already it was into the bearish color, and then you got a bearish color, and I also got a sell opportunity. You can see the price is down. So I can show you. Now I'm just taking you to the 15 minutes so that you can have a better representation of the market. Okay, right now you can see there is no buying opportunity right now, and the selling opportunity is working, and this is good. But the buy, so you need to consider it from the proper areas where the liquidities are taken and something like this. Okay, now look at this. This is the perfect example. The cloud is bearish, and now you can see my indicator has given the recent sell opportunity in real time. So definitely we can go for that trade. Okay, so the cloud is blue. Just look at this. If I hide the market turning points, my private indicator, now you can see the cloud is blue. And if I do this, now you can see you have the buying opportunity right now. Go for that trade. So this is how it works. So just use any levels indicator. Yeah, otherwise you can book the lifetime version of my market turning points indicator from our Telegram. You can check the link in the description as well. You can contact through email as well. But overall, this indicator is very powerful because it's keeping the small moves as well, and everything is very simple. Just use it with the common sense, with the proper support resistances and the key levels in the market. Like, do not blindly do trading, but overall you can see still this indicator is working very well because the losing signals are very less and the winning signals are so much. So this is what you can do a good addition in your trading. If you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you very much.